Okay, so this is now the band and fact step. So paki-install yung paki-install yung WinStep sa inyong laptop, tapos paki-run, at ito yung ating unang makikita. And then sa ating tutorials, yan, kopyahin nyo itong band facts appendix 2 at basahin ninyo, at yun na actually. Okay. So para masundan natin yung band facts appendix 2, dapat may nakaprint kayo niya na susundan, or yung inyong cellphone, ilipat nyo doon para may bababasa kayo. Actually, susundan nyo lang yan and everything will be explained. Magkaroon lang kayo ng tiyaga. So, ang kailangan data natin dyan ay ito, band facts appendix 2. So, that's it. So, review natin ang itsura nitong ating WinSteps. The title of the report is Band and Facts Blood Data Appendix 2. So, a data row is a person. So, ibig sabihin, yung data sa mga row, that is a person. At ang first person label column ay 1. Kasi papangalanan mo yung tao. Pwedeng yung totoong pangalan ng tao ang ilagay mo rito. Or pwedeng code. Kagaya nito, 001. Yung tawag niya sa person 1, 002 sa person 2. At gaano kahaba daw yung pangalan ng tao. So, the person label length is just 3 columns. And then the number of data rows, so ilan yung data rows, ibig sabihin ilan yung estudyante. That is 150. Okay, and the number of data columns, okay, 39. Bakit naging 39? Kasi yung number of items ay 35 plus yung first 3 mo, okay, nandyan. Tapos sabi mo, magsisimula yung iyong first item sa test ay sa column number 5. Okay? Data column is an item. So kaya puro item yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 35. And the columns per response is 1, and the valid codes are 1 and 0. So, yun. So, ano ang ating gagawin dito? Let's have the tutorials. Sa page 2 ng ating tutorial, siguro nasa page 3, tapos doon sa pangalawang row, let's analyze this data. Ito na yon, in-encode na pala dito sa ating data yung dichotomous item. So, ibig sabihin si person 1, tama siya sa item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it's 1010. Kagaya nung sa classical test theory din natin. So, ang sabi dito, click analysis menu and then click exit to analysis does not save. So, analysis menu and then exit to analysis does not save. And we are prompted with this one, just enter the key, okay, and then enter. Yan yung tinatawag nilang iteration. Ayan. So finally, lumabas yung tinatawag natin na reliability coefficient. So how reliable are our person? That's 0.81. And how reliable is our item? So that is 0.93. So it's a good measure of reliability kasi ang ating, that is the Cronbach's alpha actually. Kasi ang ating cutoff dyan ay 0.7 pataas. So now let's proceed to bubble chart specifications tayo. Punta tayo dun sa page 3 sa pinakababa. Now, let's produce a pathway map. So, kagaya ng ating ginawa kanina. Click on plots menu. Plots, and then click on bubble chart. And then, next page, page 4. Bubble chart specifications. Yes, this is it, bubble chart specifications. The correct options are pre-selected for you. So, tingnan mo yun doon, na-checkan si items, na-checkan si measures vertically, na-measure si infit, and then yung standardized T. So, i-click lang natin. Okay. And then, we will be prompted, how are the plot data point labeled? We will be asked, how are the plotted data points to be labeled? So, we choose entry number. And then the bubble chart will be launched. So, ayan yung ating makikita. That is the bubble chart actually. So, ang sabi dito, Basahin nyo na lang yung 1, 2, 3. Sa ika-third row ng page 4, nandyan yung explanation kung ano yung inyong nakikita dyan. And then, we're just going to right-click on the biggest bubble. This one is the biggest bubble. So, we right-click and then we format the data series. And then, we reduce this into 60. And then, enter. So, that's it. So, yan na yung ating bubble map na in-establish nila yung pathway natin. So, this is -2 at saka 2. This is the fitness continuum. Ito yung mga lumagpas na mga items sa fit 30 at saka 21 na items. Actually, yung nandoon sa mga items na yun ay mga ano na natin yun, mga pre-select, sa tutorial na yun ng mga data, yung 150 items. Okay. And then, the good thing about the bubble map is that we can already determine the item measures, yung logits niya, and then the infit standardized residual na ang ating cutoff dito ay yung 2, -2 and +2, tapos standard error of measurement. So, sa item measures, tingnan natin ano yung pinaka madaling item dito. So, hanapin natin, of course, yung pinakamababa, negative. That's the easiest item. So, I guess it's item number 6. So, let's check with the bubble chart. Right, that's item number 6. And the most difficult is item number 21 because the difficulty level is 2.4. However, we have some problem on fitness. Let's take a look at 21 and 30 and even 13. So, 21, the fitness is 2.64, which is beyond our cutoff na 2. Okay. And then, we also have item number 30. So, item number 30, 2.27. So, these are misfits and there is a need for us to re-examine this item. As to the number of error or the amount of error, ito malalaking bubbles, 12 at saka 6. Item number 12, okay, the error is 0.36. So, relatively bigger. And number 6, 0.47. As compared to the standard error of the other items. So these are the information that we can get from an item bubble or a bubble chart, I mean. Okay, what we're going to do next is to generate the item map. So to do that, doon na tayo sa page 5. Tapos, 1 to ika-third row, click on Analysis Output Tables, and then Item Map number 12. So, here, that's it. So, lalabas yung Table 12. Where is Table 12? This is Table 12. So, ang sabi dito, let's change the font to 6 so that it will display on one screen. 6. Can we have a 6? Yeah. It displays on one screen. So this is an example of a right map. So you notice na yung bawat sharp natin dyan means 2 persons. And then the most difficult item is 21. The easiest item is number 6. This is the mean of the item, and this is the mean of the examinee. So that means that the examinee here or the examinees here are much smarter than the items. Okay, so that is how we interpret the right map, because if we're going to look at the logits, ito yung logits, oh. Dito yung 0 ng logit eh. Pag ganon, so makikita natin na yung sa taas na ito, so ito maraming magagaling. The students actually are better than the items in this particular model kasi this is the 0 cutoff. So these students are smarter than these items. And then these items, on the other hand, are smarter to very few students only. So that is the person map item. Okay. So another one is, let us look at some item statistics. So balik tayo doon sa ating rush, band and fox. Click output tables and then item entry. So what does this table indicate? Okay, so table 14 shows the statistics for each item. So nandyan yung ating entry number, the total score, the count, the measure, but these are arranged, no? The standard error of the model, the infit, the outfit. Okay, so ayan yung ating mga values. So these are the measures. Ito yung logit score. Okay, and then we have the infit, mean squared, the infit t value, the outfit mean squared, and then the outfit t. So negative 2 to positive 2, and then 1.3 yung ating mga cutoff dito. So just study this. And then we can do further analysis. Sa page 7, doon sa column, click on Output Tables menu, and then number 13, Item Measure. So, yun naman, sa Item Measure, tingnan natin kung anong ating makikita na information dito. The most difficult item is on the top, which is item number 21, and then the easiest item is at the bottom, which is item number 6. So that's basically the information that we can get from there. And then another one is the fit order. Let's say output tables, and then we have the fit order. Where's the fit order? Number 10. Okay, the fit order. So these are the most unpredictable item because baka hindi ito. Ito yung mga misfit siguro. Yeah, kasi tingnan mo yung value ng kanyang outfit, oh. It should be, it is greater than 2. So ito yung mga may problemang mga items na dapat nating tingnan. Item number 21, 22, and so on. And then, let's take a look at the person entry. So, output tables, person entry, number 18. So, yung makikita naman natin dito ay yung mga logit value for a person. Yan. Pero mas interesado ako doon sa person measure kasi gusto ko malaman kung sino yung pinakamatalino. So, output tables, person measure, number 17. Okay, so, ito na natin. Yun, si number 23, ang taas ng kanyang measure, 5.21, no? 5.21, 5.21. So, yun ang mga matatalino. Yung mga medyo mahinay, okay, ito, negative 2.09, si person number 114. Okay? And then, ano pa yung pwede nating tingnan? Let's look in more details now at the items. Click on graph menus. So, check tayo. Graph menus. And then the expected score, ICC. And then we have this. Makikita natin, this is for item number 1. So, ito yung rush model, itong pula. Pero ito actually yung performance. Ito actually yung yung performance na empirical na nakita nila. Tingnan nyo, oh, mayroong isang estudyante na mababa ang kanyang logit or mahina, pero nasagot niya ng tama yung item. So there's a problem here, no, with our item number 1. So at least nakikita natin na kung how does the item, how do the students respond, no, to the item. So i-click natin yung select curves. Hanapin natin, select curve. Saan si select? Ayan, select tayo ng curve and then let's look at item number 21. So, Ayan. So, number 21, ganun din, no? We have some problematic items dito sa ating table. Nakakulay orange siya. So, pakibasa na lang kung ano ang ibig sabihin yan. Okay. And then, we can proceed with the next curve, next curve, next curve, next curve, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ito na yung item characteristic curve natin. So, itong ating item number 30, there's also something amazing, something interesting about this. Pakibasa na lang dyan kung ano ang ibig sabihin. So, basically, yun lang naman yung mga gusto kong matutunan ninyo. And if you are interested enough to do the rush model, you can try again yung tutorial on chapter 4. And if you're interested enough, you can do all the tutorials by yourselves. Okay? So, masyadong mahaba no, itong ating recording at saka editing. So, I hope na everything will be worth it and you're going to find time studying and then learning the rush model. Thank you and good evening.